Hello everyone, today I'm going to share this case with you. It's going to be a root canal retreatment and a major filling. This patient came in with severe pain on his 2-4, and during the examination, after consent was obtained, he decided to go ahead with root canal retreatment for this tooth. You notice that's the tooth there. There's a composite filling that's been leaking, and there's recurrent decay. This is after I placed the rubber dam in his mouth. So this is the finished root canal. I was able to finish it successfully. Okay, so I'm putting the greater curve matrix band in, and like I like it upside down, and what you see is that gap on the mesial. That gap is usually more evident on first premolars, mesial up first premolars. What I'm doing now is my famous window creation for a better contact. Again, very slightly I get my round diamond, and has to be fine, and kind of slightly create that window with just barely brushing that burr. This is a picture of the Teflon wedge where it's looped around a floss, and you floss on the mesial underneath the contact, and you slowly pull it through until that gap gets eliminated, that cervical gap, which is going to create an overhang. So slowly going through there, and the more you push, the better seal you get. You see that seal I got on the mesial, and now it's kind of burnishing again. And now I'm going to etch, wash it up, dry it, prime, and bond, ready for the filling. You see how that Teflon is in its place. I tried to use the Teflon, push it by a PFI, and it usually slides out. It's really hard to keep it in place. So this is a trick I like. I use a little bit of permaflow on top of the chamber, just for like future consideration. If anyone opens up this tooth, they know where the pulp chamber is. Use some bulk flowable. I like to use Surefill SDR Flow, which works great in my hands, and I have really good success rate with this material. It has a 4mm depth of cure, and I see my my recalls, the margins on the recalls look great with this composite. I really like it. As long as it's not extended to the occlusal surface, it has a horrible wear. But if it's underneath like a packable composite, it should be okay. Now that drop of flowable, and then I'm putting my packable. The packable I use, you could use any packable that's on the market, but the one I use is called Spectra. Spectra from Dentsply. It's the same radio pass, actually same company that makes SDR Flow. So that's why the fillings have like no demarcation, like they all look like either uniform, just one piece, because they both have the same radio opacity on the X-ray. Taking out the matrix band, and this is a matrix band holder. It's gonna be a little tough. Sometimes it breaks, so let's see how that broke, and it's no problem. I'm going to cure. Now when it breaks, I get the serrated tip and just kind of go through it. See the beautiful contact there, and I'm going to fast forward the polishing parts and the finishing parts. That's a white shofu, and this is the Softflex disc, and that's that's it. The major part I wanted to show in this video is how to use the Teflon as a wedge, and I hope this video was useful for everyone. Look at that great contact. Actually, I'm gonna loosen it up a little because it's too tight with the finishing strip, and we want a tight contact, but again, easy contact as well. This is the finished filling. That's before. This is after.
If you like our video, please subscribe and go into our channel. Thank